Hi, everyone. This is your girl, Coach Shea, and today it is May the 2nd. And I wanted to come personally and do this video, first of all, to thank you for being a part of the It's My Time to Rise online community and being on our newsletter list where we send out weekly inspiration trainings, things of that sort to really inspire you to take action, to believe God for your purpose and His plan for your life. But I wanted to personally greet you. I am the CEO and founder of It's My Time to Rise Business Institute and Entrepreneurial Center for Women. And our desire for us in the marketplace is to really help you, make money doing what you love and are called to do. And the reason why we're really passionate about helping women make money doing what they love and are called to do, because people need your message. People need your service. People need your products. People need your books. People need what you have to offer. And God desires for you to show up in the marketplace, to be His hands, to be His feet, to be His voice, to empower others. And here's why the money is important. Money will help you further the mission that He has given you to do, not only to support you and your family, but to help others as well. And there's a saying that we say in our church, it is more blessing to give than to receive. So how can we give? We give by showing up, being a great service, changing people's lives through what we do, using that money, that income to further the mission, to get the message out, to travel the world, to go into other countries, to give to the less fortunate. And so that's why it's really important that you understand the value of why you must get paid doing what you love. It's just not about you. It's about furthering the message that God has placed in your heart to upbuild the kingdom. And so that's why it's really important for me to come and share today. And here at the center, every month, twice a month to be exact, we're going to be doing a workshop. And the workshop is called Get Paid Doing What You Love and Are Called to Do. And our series is Write and Get Paid, Coach and Get Paid, Speak and Get Paid. So it is write, coach, and speak. And so if you fit any of those categories, that you know that you should be writing books and telling your story, and not just writing books for the sense of I want to tell my story, but you got great information, you got training material, you have things that can support and serve others in different capacity of your expertise. If you know that you have a gift to coach others, to inspire others to take action, to have them be accountable to their goals and their dreams and things they desire to do. You have that power of encouragement, that power to uplift and to inspire others, then you need to be at that workshop. If you are a person that God has given you a message and it's time for you to speak and get it out into the marketplace, whether it's at a church, whether it's at a corporate America, or whether it is at conferences and seminars, or having your own events, as I love to do, have your own workshops, then this is a workshop that you want to be a part of. All you need to do is click the link below here, get registered. If you're especially in the greater Sacramento area, Northern California, Bay Area, you want to be a part of this amazing opportunity. You don't have to stay hidden anymore. You don't have to stay on the sidelines watching what everyone else is doing. You want to get into the game and do what God has called you to do, because it is time for you to do it. So if you're ready to write, coach, and speak, then you need to be at this workshop. Below, click the link and get registered. Come and join us. There's going to be great networking with other like-minded, amazing business women and ministry leaders. There's also going to be refreshments. Last time we had something not so healthy, but this time we're going to be prepared for some healthy, fresh fruit and tea and water and things that is going to nurture our bodies. So I want you to be a part of this workshop. I think it's going to, not only think, I know it will give you the tools that you need need. Not only that, we're going to be giving you an actual guide. So the guide is, pretty thick like this. It's going to be really nice for you to take away, implement those ideas, implement those strategies, create that accountability with your wisdom circle. So you want to be a part. So I thank you for listening to me for this short period of time, and I hope to see you on May the 12th. Many blessings to you, and God bless.